Hello, my name is Lindsay Johnson. I'm a benefits analyst in the Division of Human Resources. I'll give a general overview of the Central Benefits Office. We are a unit comprised of 10 staff members located within the Division of Human Resources. Our unit is responsible for managing the core and supplemental benefits as well as the leave programs and workers' compensation system-wide. Our office is responsible for administrating the core insurance programs, retirement plans, Affordable Care Act, COBRA, leave, and workers' compensation benefits. We provide insurance and retirement counseling. We also collaborate with vendors to offer a competitive benefits package. We promote various perks and discounts to help you maintain a healthy balance between work and home life. We provide guidance of PEBA's enrollment and appeal process. We provide guidance to HR, business, and campus contacts as it relates to benefits and leave inquiries. We offer training and free notary services to faculty and staff, excluding real estate closings, divorce, and other services performed by the court system. We partner with the President's Office to recognize employees meeting a state service milestone. We host the annual My Carolina Health and Wellness Expo to provide faculty and staff with information about the various benefits and resources available to them as part of their employment at the university. This event aims to educate employees about their benefits packages, promote a healthy work-life balance, and foster a sense of community within the university. Who to call and when? If you have questions regarding the core insurance benefits, you may call PEBA for contract, coverage, and claims questions. You may also contact them for retirement eligibility confirmation and counseling. The Benefits Office should be contacted if you have general benefits and retirement questions. The Benefits Office can also provide insurance and retirement counseling, assist with enrollment, and submit appeals to PEBA. The Payroll Department should be contacted for deductions and billing questions, employment verifications, and refunds. They are also responsible for confirming the last date worked for retirement purposes. For leave approval and/or cancellations that are less than 60 days old, you should contact your supervisor. If you are injured on the job, your supervisor must be with you when you call Compendium. For billing questions while on leave of absence, please contact the Payroll Department. Employee relations should be contacted about workplace accommodations, leave of absences greater than 90 days, leave usage disputes between employees and their departments, and with questions regarding separation from employment. The Benefits Office should be contacted for leave requests greater than 60 days old, workers' compensation, and FMLA application approvals and denials. There are 3 supplemental insurance vendors. Trustmark offers university life, long-term care, and critical illness and cancer insurance. Colonial Life offers short-term disability and accident insurance. Travelers Insurance offers auto and home insurance. You will contact the appropriate supplemental insurance vendor with coverage, enrollment, claim, premium, and cancellation questions. You may contact the Benefits Office with general questions and payroll with questions about deductions. The 403B vendors are TIAA, Corebridge Financial, and Fidelity. You will contact the 403B vendors about enrollments, terminations, and contribution adjustments. You may contact the Benefits Office with general questions and payroll about deductions, distributions, loans, or hardship questions and/or signature requirements. The EAP vendor for USC is MyGroup. You may contact MyGroup to make an appointment or with questions about coverage and/or claims. You may contact Employee Relations with contract questions and about disputes with the EAP vendor. Who are we? We are individually driven, collectively strong. Behold the remarkable we. Thank you.